In a lab, Dr. Jean was excited. "We've cracked it," he exclaimed, holding a vial. "This therapy will fix inherited hiccups." His assistant, Tim, looked puzzled. "Hiccups?" he asked. "Yes," Dr. Jean replied. "No more embarrassing hiccups at weddings." Tim chuckled. "But what about inherited baldness?" Dr. Jean shrugged. "One step at a time, Tim. Imagine a world where hiccups are history." Just then, Tim hiccuped loudly. "See?" Dr. Jean grinned. "You're our first patient." Tim laughed. "Well, at least I won't hiccup at my wedding." Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.